Hey, welcome to another episode of Car Mods. I'm Jeff. Today I have a very quick and easy install. I'll be swapping out the amber side markers on the 10th gen Honda Civic. This smoke side marker is from Depo. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. The installation is very simple. It should take you about 5-10 minutes to install both sides. And so here's the front and the back. They do come with new amber bulbs, as you can see right here. It looks pretty good, and from the reviews this will not fog up inside the lens. Now to remove this and to gain more access to the room that's back here, you can go ahead and turn this wheel the other way so then there's more room, but it's not absolutely necessary. I'll do my passenger side without moving the wheel and the driver's side with turning the wheel to just show you the difference, but you can do it either or. You do not need to remove these two screws. It's not necessary. It really doesn't do anything, but all you need to do is, here I'll give you a close-up. All right, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and pry the lining a little bit back. So I'm just gonna stick my pry tool behind here and pry that back a little bit. Now don't worry about this, it's supposed to flex a little bit, it'll go back to regular place. Now in the back you see that little orange tab that's right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the pry tool in the back right here and push this thing in. And so there you go, so that is what I'm gonna be pushing in. So I'm gonna be pushing this little plastic piece and the whole side markers will release like that. And so again, this is the piece that I was pressing. Now once I have the side markers removed, all I need to do is to remove this completely. I can go ahead and push this little tab to unhook this. So all I did was press this little tab and this whole assembly comes undone, and then simply twist this clockwise to remove it. Now this aftermarket smoke one, it comes with amber bulbs. So it's up to you whether you want to use the clear one or the amber bulb, but I'm going to be installing amber. There you go. As you can see, I switched out to this amber bulb that they provide. Now when you do switch out the bulb, don't touch the bulb with your fingers. The oil on your fingers will create hot spot and the bulb will burn out quicker. The next step is to go ahead and remove this and insert the socket with the bulb. And there are holes in the front where the tabs need to line up. So line up the front tab first and then just push this back, and then that clip will clip back in like that. Now there is one last thing you need to do is, you see since we pushed this back, this little piece came out here. So you need to push this back behind this little panel in between there. So it should look like that once installed. So the flap from here needs to go in between there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and install the driver's side. Same process I did on the passenger side. Pull the liner back a little bit. And there you go. Alright, so that was a procedure on how to swap out the side markers on your 10th gen Honda Civic. This procedure will be the same for Sedan Coupe or Hatchback. The only tool you need is a pry tool, something like this, or a flat screwdriver. It's not necessary to remove the two screws down here, and it's not necessary to turn the wheel, but if you do gain more clearance back. I'll have the product link for the smoked side markers that I used on the video description below, so go check it out. And in the comment below, comment if you guys like the smoke one or if you guys like the original one or the JDM clear ones. Now these do come with very different design and function. Some come smoked like this, some are clear, some are smoked with LEDs inside, some have LED bars, some have switchback LEDs, and all different ones in there. However, for this vehicle, we just decided to just go with the smoked one. Now don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do free monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers every month. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.